Testing, testing. Oh, that sounds really good.
Am I going the right way?
Good morning. Good morning, families. Good morning, special guests. Am I sounding loud enough to all of you out there?
Yes.
Perfect. So, we are so glad that you're joining us here this morning. My name is Gabriel Baker, and I'm the proud principal of Hoover Middle School. Welcome and thank you for coming today to celebrate our students' passage from middle to high school. Please join me, Assistant Principal Shannon Irby, Assistant Principal Julia Koffa, and the Hoover staff as we welcome Hoover's graduating class of 2023.